Gotta catch my breath. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm done with my workout. I'm gonna rest for a little bit and then I'll have something to eat and then take a shower. Oh my god. Look at my neck. Look at this. It's crazy. Hey y'all, so it is the next day. My body aches. I'm so tired from working out. My ceiling was peeling and I found someone to fix that. He came about last month. And I got the dry compound. He scraped off the paint and then plastered the dry compound on the ceiling, and then he left that to dry. He did it in my living room area and in my hallway. The first pail that I bought ran out, so I had to get another pail. I bought another pail. He came back today and sand everywhere that he plastered the dry compound.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, ain't know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch, do I know what time it is right now? After 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now.
Thank God I covered my furniture. The floor is messy. He said to me to clean it lightly because he's gonna come back tomorrow. So I'm just gonna tidy it up because I need to use my living room area today because I have to work out. I cannot work out in this mess. Let me show you guys the ceiling and then I'm gonna start sweeping and just lightly mop the floor. Okay. Those are the patches. They're drying. I think they're dry by now, so he's gonna come back tomorrow, like I said. The only thing I didn't cover was this mirror right here because I think it would be easy for me to clean, but maybe I should have covered it. Maybe I'll cover it later on tonight because it's dusty. This is what's on the covering, and that's the floor. Floor messy as hell.
Got somebody, she is a beauty, very special, really and truly. Take good care of me like it's her duty.
I'm gonna put it away so he can use it tomorrow. I'm gonna get a mask because inside here is dusty as hell. And I got sinus. Bad mixture. Let me get a mask. Look at my legs, y'all. White.
Right by my side, night and day. No letting go, no holding back. Because you are my lady. When I'm with you, it's all about. Girl, I'm so glad he's waiting. No letting go, no holding back. Come to an end, but I'm optimistic about being a friend. Though I make you cry, I do it with Keisha and Nisha, but that was back then. No letting go, no holding back, because you are felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. Get some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. Get some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. Get some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing